Hello everyone, I am Vinay Singh and welcome to Power BI Learning Series. In this video, I will be discussing about the all function of DAX. The purpose of all function is to ignore any filter or a slicer which is present in Power BI report. The output of this function is a table. If you carefully observe the syntax, it has two arguments, table or a column name, and both of these arguments are optional. Now let's see one of the applications of all function. Now let us assume this is the data set that I have and it has various columns. And I want to generate a summary report for each of my sales rep along with the total amount they had sold and the percentage of sales made by them. So here I'm already having all my different sales representatives, and this is the sales made by each of them, and I have the total also. Now I want a new column which should tell me the percentage of sales made by that representative. So for example, for Alex, the percentage would be 2,800 divided by 19,600. Similarly, for Bill, it will be 1,700 divided by 19,600. Okay, but to have that common denominator for all my reps, that is a major task. And to achieve that, I will use all function because like I said, it ignores any filters or slicers in a report. Okay, so before I generate a new column which tells me about percentage of sales made, I will make one more column which gives me the denominator for each row. Okay, so now let's do that first. To achieve that, I first go to new measure. Let's say I'm calling it as total denominator. Okay, here I will use calculate function only, and while passing an filter there I will use all function. So I type in calculate. I had already created this total sales measure, which is nothing but sum of sales made by each rep, so I will use that as my expression. Okay, now like I said, while inputting the filtering condition, I will use all function. So I'll type in all. Now if you remember, the for syntax of all, it had two arguments, either table name or a column name, and both of which were optional. So right now I have choice. I can ignore any argument or I can write either the rep column or the sales table. So let's just assume I'm ignoring all the filters right now. Okay. So this measure has been created for me. I'm just dragging it into the table. And if you see, the total sales value is coming for each of my sales rep in a new column. Now it becomes easy for me to create a new column which will give me percentage of sales made. Let's say I'm calling it as percentage of sales, and here I'm using a divide function. My numerator is total sales and my denominator is total denominator, and I'm converting it into a percentage and just dragging it over here. So if you see, Alex, who made sales of 2,800 out of total sales of 19,627, this amounts to 14.33%. Similarly, for Bill, sales of 1,700 is equal to 8.92%, and likewise. So this is how you use a all function in DAX. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you.